Good morning. Welcome to the show, Pressure Crisp. My name is Ruth. The chef's name is Lisa. My personal chef for the past month, which has been wonderful. And she's going to cook my breakfast, which I usually have scrambled eggs and bacon, 2 pieces of bacon in the morning. I try not to have the bread or the rolls or things like that. And I usually have my 2 cups of coffee, and I've already had my prunes, 5 or 6, whatever happens to shake out of the bag.
Prunes? No. And which device are we cooking it on? The Ninja Foodi Grill.
And we're going to cook it on the Ninja Foodi Grill. I will miss that very, very much because then I'll have to go back to the stovetop scrambled eggs and the now microwave bacon. And there's such a difference. It's just unreal. I love the bacon on the grill. And I think that's about it until she gets my breakfast ready, my 2 cups of coffee. And then I just sit here and relax and wait for my God love me, Monday morning I'm going to have to do it myself. Oh, wait a minute, Sunday morning she's going to be leaving early. Sunday morning I have to start again with myself. But I'll do it. Somehow I'll struggle to do it, Lisa. Don't worry about me.
Oh, Jesus. It's all the guilt here, the guilt factor. Okay, let me start making breakfast. What you see in front of you, this is my aunt's breakfast most every morning that I've been out here. We have some eggs and we have thick cut bacon from Sprouts. And I make sure the roasting rack is in, the air crisp basket is in, and the splatter screen is up. And I don't preheat. I actually probably never preheat. Now she likes 2 pieces of the thick cut bacon. I'm going to put in 4 because I'm going to have 2. And I just lay them out just like this because this is a very thick. Let me show you the bacon from Sprouts. Look at that. It's great bacon from Sprouts. I'm not really awake this morning. Got to go wash my hands. We're going to close the lid. Turn the Ninja Foodi Grill on. I'm going to air crisp. I bring it down to 350 and I hit start. I do hit air crisp again, open it up, and it starts counting down. I just let the 20 minutes go because I know exactly how long this bacon's going to take, which I kind of forgot right now, but I check it in like 5 or 7 minutes and I flip it and then check it like in another 5 or 7 minutes, and it's usually done by then. Eggs ready. I just grabbed 2 of the Eggland's Best because that's what she prefers. Crack them in a bowl. And yeah, I get egg all over the place, but hey, it's okay. Cleans up. And all I do, I always add a little bit of black pepper. I never add salt to my eggs, personal preference. And I just whisk them up. Oh, I just get egg all over the Foodi Grill. That's all I do. The eggs are done. And where is that? Here we go. I did remember to bring this out with me. This thing is fantastic. This comes from Ninja Kitchen. This is what I cook her eggs in. You can use the griddle pan as well, but I just like this one better because it's deeper and yeah, it just works easier. So about 8 minutes has gone by, 7 or 8 minutes. I just wing this. This isn't exact science here. I am going to take the bacon and flip it over. And I just realized 1, 2, 3, oh, there's 5 pieces. So you know something? We're not sure who's going to get that 3rd piece. You might have to fight over it. All right, I'll be back. Lower that lid, let it continue to cook. Let's check on the bacon. We got about 8 minutes left. It is done. So I just take all that bacon, put it on a paper towel lined plate. Whoops. Put it off to the side. Now on to the eggs. I'm going to show you what I do. I lift this up. Take the grease and I pour it into a cup just to remove all the grease. However, I do take a little bit of that grease and add it. This is not the most stable situation. I add a little bit of bacon fat to that and I pour the rest of it off into a cup. Put the the roasting rack and the air crisp basket right back in there. I pick up the tray and place it right in the air crisp basket. Lower the lid, let that warm up for like a minute, and then we add the eggs. So it's been warm up for about a minute. All I do is take those eggs, pour it right in here. And close the lid. Okay, we were just interrupted because I feel very bad about this. I totally forgot that we had a FaceTime visit with my mother at the nursing home, and I had to shut everything off. So we're gonna see how these eggs come out. And yeah, this is just real life cooking here. Let's see. All right, it kind of turned more into an omelet, but I can break that up a bit. And this is all I do. Yeah, these eggs are almost done by letting them sit. But this usually takes like 1 to 2 to 3 minutes. Anywhere between 1 and 3 minutes, and these eggs are done. So I'm gonna cook these a little bit longer because my aunt likes everything well done. Eggs are done, and all I do is lift it out. And that's all there is to it. Put that in the sink. And breakfast for Aunt Ruthie. Okay, breakfast is served. Go
Oh,
ahead.
perfect. This is what I like. I have to cut mine in half for the microwave, and I usually over crisp it.
Microwave?
But this is the breakfast that I like every morning, really and truly. Full protein breakfast. Gets me going for the day.
Oh, look here. Look at your millions of viewers. Millions of viewers.
And all I can say to the viewers out there is be as happy as you can every day.
It's true. Aunt has had the best retirement, she said.
I have had a good retirement, a good life, really and truly. So I've had to work all my life, but that's all right.
Oh, hell, you retired at 55.
57.
Oh, Jesus. She retired at 57 from, well, we won't tell you where.
But then I had little jobs out here when I came out here.
That's right, Leah. Little, fun jobs.
Little fun jobs.
All right, let's get to the taste test. Go ahead.
Okay.
I'm not appearing on camera because I haven't showered yet this morning, people. I know, you guys probably didn't want to know that.
She's a little slow today, but we were very busy yesterday. Had a wonderful trip. I will miss this. I can usually manage my other meals, but breakfast I like to set and be waited down.
I guess she deserves it.
And I looked into it, but robots don't do this. Good.
Bacon!
And that's it for today. Goodbye.
That was quick.